told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'll be teaching you how to create a YouTube channel from your cell phone. I know that we all doesn't have access to laptop or a computer system, but with the help of your phone, you can start up a YouTube channel. So let's get right into the video. So now there are two ways of creating a YouTube channel. Number one is creating a new YouTube or new Google account. Number two is using an existing account to create a new channel. From these both options, you can get your YouTube account. Now the first option, which is creating a new YouTube account or new Google account, all you have to do is go to your browser and type google.com, and this will appear on your screen. Fill in the necessary information required, and remember that the username you use for this Google account will directly be channeled to your YouTube account when you open it. So after this step, you have to head over to your YouTube. On your internet browser, type youtube.com and click on the avatar. This will appear. Click on your channel. If you don't like the name or the username you use while opening new Google account, you can equally change it by tapping on the pen like button there and edit it to the username you like. After that, you save, then click on create channel. By tapping on this create channel, you agree to the YouTube terms of services. From there, you can customize your channel by clicking on customize channel to upload your profile picture. So when you click there, you will see options like branding, layouts, and basic information. So you have to go to your branding, then click on picture, add your profile picture, which I have already added mine, and you can as well add a banner image, and I will be doing a short video on how you can create this banner image for your YouTube channel. So the second option, which is creating a new YouTube channel from an existing channel, from the avatar that has your profile picture on it, tap on the avatar, click on settings, then click on create a new channel, and this will appear. So you have to add the username you want to use for this new channel. Let's say bags and shoes. Then tick on their terms and conditions for YouTube for this new account. Once you tick there, the blue button for the create will appear. Then you now have to tap on the create. This is how to create a new channel from an existing YouTube account. Oh yes, you have come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be getting more of these tips, and do well to like, share, and drop a comment down below. Thank you, and see you guys on my next video.